Welcome to Sarness English Quiz channel. You have 5 seconds to find the correct answer, and if you need more time, of course you can always pause the video. Choose the correct spelling. Question number 1. I'm definitely going to ace this quiz. And the correct answer is C. Question number 2. I filled that questionnaire. And the correct answer is A. Question number 3. In the year 1901, we entered a new century. And the correct answer is B. Question number 4. I was discussing this with George. And the correct answer is B. Question number 5. I think it's necessary for him to take the test. And the correct answer is C. Question number 6. Jimmy couldn't make it across the street. And the correct answer is A. Question number 7. I will see you tomorrow. And the correct answer is B. Question number 8. They've been married for 40 years. And the correct answer is D. Question number 9. To keep them from fighting, you must separate them. And the correct answer is D. Question number 10. I took his advice and moved to Paris. And the correct answer is B.